Welcome to TMT Central, where your property maintenance needs are our priority. Whether you need a plumber, handyman, electrician or full refurbishment, we're on the spot in central London, fast, responsive and ready to help you. Our dedicated customer service team is here to ensure your journey with us is smooth, personalised and above all, headache-free. Trust and transparency are at our core. With TMT Central, you're assured of clear, upfront pricing. No surprises, just quality service from the get-go. Don't just take our word for it. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in over 400 5-star reviews from satisfied clients across commercial and domestic sectors. No task is too minor, no project too major. Our skilled tradesmen are ready to tackle your property maintenance needs with dedication and expertise. To fully understand your project, we welcome images of the tasks and jobs. Those little details help us grasp the big picture, ensuring we meet your expectations first time. Sometimes, we'd like to discuss your project further on the phone. This conversation ensures we're aligned with your expectations and ready to get your job started. With our dedicated support, clear pricing and commitment to quality, we're the local trusted experts in central London. Let's get your job started.